738T wireless translator allows up to 16 existing one-way non-DMP wireless transmitters to communicate with XT and XTL series panels. The 738T is compatible with transmitters that operate at 319.5 or 345 MHz and can be used at the same time as DMP's 900 MHz 1100 series wireless receiver. Connecting the 738T to an XT or XTL series panel is easy. If using an XT30 or XT50, connect the 738T directly to the keypad bus of the panel. If using an XTL Touch, remove the mounting cover and connect the corresponding wires to the terminal block on the XTL Touch. If using an XTL Plus, connect a Model 300 harness with a right-angle connector to the programming header on the XTL Plus. At the 738T, connect the red, yellow, and green wires. When you connect the black wire, press and hold the Enter button. This clears the 738T's memory and prepares it for programming. The panel and 738T are now ready for enrolling transmitters and programming. For more information on the 738T or to watch more videos like this, visit dmp.com.